want to sit, honey? Sit.
Yeah.
This is Michael Packard arriving home to a family in shock. The smile he's wearing washes away when he tells the story of his close call and what went through his mind.
This is how you're gonna go, Michael. This is how you're gonna die. In the mouth of a whale.
Packard was in the water Friday morning off the tip of Cape Cod. He was diving, fishing for lobster. In the past, he's had some encounters with great white sharks. There is danger in the job.
When I kiss him goodbye in the morning, there's not a day that doesn't go by that I don't think about him and what he does.
Now, no one thought one of these would be a problem, a humpback whale. Packard says he never saw it coming, felt a bump, and everything turned dark. Then he realized where he was.
I'm in a whale's mouth, and he's trying to swallow me. And I thought to myself, okay, this is it.
Well, the whale wasn't too happy about the situation either. And Packard says after about 30 seconds, he was basically spit out.
I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe I got out of that.
Incidents with whales happen, but rarely. They're usually just kayakers getting a little too close.
He knocked it over.
There was a case in November in California where a kayaker ended up for a moment in a mouth. This is how it looked for that kayaker. Marine biologist Dr. Ian Kerr says whales aren't that interested in humans. In 30 years, he says he's heard of a story like Packard's twice. It was likely, he says, just an accident.
The whale does not want a human dessert. He just happened to be in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Well, the whale seems to have left unharmed, leaving Packard with some bumps and bruises and a heck of a fishing story about the one that got away. Because he's the one that got away. Mike Armstrong, Global News.